was shattered on the floor, and that was due to one lightning strike striking a tree in our neighbor's yard. Like, wow. The tree actually had a little bit of smoke coming off of it for the next couple of days, and then on the third day after that, it fell over and died.
Burn the entire inside out.
Yeah.
What happens when lightning strikes the person straight from the inside out?
Basically killed the tree right then and there. Yeah, it struck the tree, and it fell over 2 days later. You know, the only scary thing about lightning is that it's so unpredictable. Like, you never know when it's going to strike, where it's going to strike. All you know is you see a bright flash, and it's a lightning strike. I don't think I'm catching anything mainly due to the rest of the light current.